Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss organizing our factory and machinery. This will enable us to move products smoothly and work more efficiently. We'll focus on setting up a Chikki making factory with following capacities. Small-sized factory of 90 kgs per day in an area of 500 to 1000 square feet area. Medium-sized factory of 170 kilograms per day in an area of 1000 to 1500 square feet area. First, we'll start with the raw material entry and storage. Designate an area near the entrance for storage of raw materials for easy unloading. After that, have a place to roasting machine the seeds. Place seed skin remover machine. Then weaken this area with adequate space management for Chikki process machine area. Next to it, there is a grinding area for grinding seeds. After this process machine, put mixing machine to mix jaggery, groundnut seeds. This should be followed by a rolling and cutting area. It should be a clean zone followed by a cooling conveyor. First have a weighing machine to weigh the finished products. Then finally put the packaging machine. Have finished product stock near the exit. Allocate space to store packets of Chikki near the exit, away from raw materials to prevent cross-contamination. All the best. Subscribe to Vyapar Coach channel.